Hey everyone, welcome to KB_R0. I'm KB, a designer, VFX artist, and animator. On this channel, I'll share tips, tutorials, and behind the scenes looks at my creative process. If you love design, VFX, and animation, hit subscribe and join the journey of bringing imagination to life. Let's create something amazing together. Don't forget to hit like and share and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any time I upload a video. Let's get into it.
Some of this part, you ain't gotta say a word. Just walk that, let's get burned. Then we'll roll up 100 fucking nuts. All up in my mouth, now I'm all up in yo. This nigga got pounds of it, all up in his trunk. Now we both look Asian. He waving and I'm drunk. I got dank shit in my cup. You know what I'ma do to you? I could give reviews to you. Slow, we X and we sipping on that juicy juice. That's just what she choose to do. Slow, we come fast. Speeding up the heartbeat, banging in the chest. When you put it on me, you relieve my stress. You got me so high, taking deep, deep breaths. You get me so high, you get me so high. I know you ain't a drug, but you get me so high. You get me so high, you get me so high. I know you ain't a drug, but you get me so high. You get me so high, you get me so high. I know you ain't a drug, but you get me so high. You get me so high, you get me so high. You get me so high, you get me so high.
POV.
I can't tell where your hair ends and mine begins. If I had a body's tattoos, I would think that it's your skin. If I move too quick, that's you, I would think it's my reflection. In this cold season, close enough. Who could tell every time we touch, every time we up? Wish you could feel me, you could pull me. One bedroom, right where your heart is. Each space feels broken hearted. Cross the bed, feel way too foreign. I know when they see just one, do they see us too? Ooh, it's when I'm melting to you. I'm melting to you. It's when I'm melting to you. Melting to you. Melting to you. Imagine you ready for love and taste up and down. Open your legs so you can spit it out your mouth. And inhale, exhale, breathe in. With every breath I'm sinking in. No way to describe it, I'm a riot. If I wake up and I'm somehow beside you, instead of inside you, this shouldn't surprise you. You don't even notice, no need to remind you. Wish you could build me a cute apartment. One bedroom where your heart is. Each place feels broken hearted. Cross the bed feels way too foreign. I wonder when they see just one, do they see us through? It's when I'm melting to you. I'm melting to you. It's when I'm melting to you. I'm melting to you. I'm melting to you. Where do you end? Where do I begin? Start over again. Feels like melting, melting. Where do you end? Where do I begin? Start over again. Feels like a mountain melting.
There are times when I look above and beyond. There are times when I feel your love around me, baby. I'll never forget my baby. When I feel that I don't belong, draw my strength from the words when you said, hey, it's about you, baby. Look deeper inside you, baby. Dream about us together again. What I want us together again, baby. I know we'll be together again. 'Cause everywhere I go, every smile I see, I know you are there, smiling back at me, dancing in moonlight. I know you are free, 'cause I can see your star shining down on me.
I should've known better. Can't even pretend like I don't want it again. On the brain all the time, thinking about the things that we did. You did something, but shit like this don't happen too often. It's the way